Hello and welcome to everybody who's new. Today I'll be taking you with me on an adventure to make my very first custom keycap out of clay. We got this and these keycaps a few days ago. So today we will just be unboxing this and this. And then here are all of our things of clay, or at least a lot of them. Let's move these right here. This looks to be the glue to glue the different pieces of clay together. Still more. There we go. So that's our clay for this one. Literally, this, okay, look at this. This entire box, or this, literally fits in the palm of my hand. But anyways, this is the gloss glaze to help protect the keycaps. And then these are just blank keycaps. And the plan will be to be able to build stuff on them with this clay. And then you should be able to bake these since these are PVT. And not ABS, and we'll see if we can make ourselves some custom keycaps. So then I suppose we'll just open this last thing. This is the helping hands. The premise here is that you have your little arms here, and then you have this little magnifying glass as well, which can articulate around here. So we have our keycap. Do something along those lines. But use that to look at some of our keycaps. And I mean, even if this doesn't work, at least I have a way to hold the bottom of the keycap while I'm working on it. So this is kind of my first attempt, and I just want to see where we can go with this. I'll start by taking a little bit of this clay and working with it for a bit. The plan is that I want to make a blue keycap with a little paw print on it. So I figure we can clean this up later. Alright, I'm gonna work with this for a bit and I will be back with you in a bit. So after messing around with that for a bit, we've got the keycap that's pretty much covered, and I've checked that it fits on top of the keys, or on top of the keyboard, so I think we are good to go. So the first thing is that I want to do Ash's little paw pads. So I'm thinking kind of a grayish color is going to be what's best for that. Actually, you know what? On second thought, I wonder if putting little bits of his fur down first would be the best plan. And then maybe just roll this out into a really thin thing that we can then use for some hair. So I'm not really concerned about it breaking since I'm going to basically be using it as hair, so I'm going to need smaller pieces anyways. But I just want to get it as thin as possible. I want to try and make my paw print shape-ish. So I'm going to make these four little things are going to be the little toes, and then this thing is going to be the paw pad. So we'll just kind of smush them first, and then we'll see what we can do for shape. Okay, well, you get the point. Something like that is going to be our little paw print. Like so. And then it needs to come in. Basically, it's kind of like an upside down heart. Again, I don't really know what I'm doing, but we're gonna figure it out together. So that's our paw print so far. So now I just want to see if I can make some texture. I made a few other keycaps, which you guys will see in just a moment. But please, comment down below on any suggestions or feedback that you would like to give me, as well as ideas for other keycaps that I can try to make. My goal is to eventually sell these and potentially do a couple giveaways on this channel.